in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Foundry Local on Windows operating system. To get the software in Google search box, right there Foundry Local, then go on this foundrylocal.ai site. So with the help of this, we can here download any AI model in those systems. So this is the command to install Foundry Local inside the Windows. So first going to copy this one. Thereafter here let's open this press command prompt. Thereafter let's use the CLS and use this command, press enter. So this is now currently downloading, right Y to continue. Now here this is now successfully verified setting package. So with the help of this Foundry Local, you can use their given 2.5 version on your system. And here by clicking this, you can get the models here. So this is now currently loading the models. And this is starting package install. So this you can see the percentage. Now if I scroll down here, you can see this phrase given 3, you can get there this here. And this all models are available. You can use according to your requirement. Mistral 7B and this all are available. So now first here waiting till this completed. So this you can see 60% that's completed there. Then successfully. Thereafter let's go there. Then I'm going to install given 3. Let's click on this auto select. This variant, click this. So run copy command. So this copy and now let's use this here Foundry model run given 3. Now you need to press enter. So if you click this, then you can copy. Here you can see this is, and after copy you need to paste there. This here service is starting HTTP PID, downloading the and registering this. Thereafter given or loaded successfully and installed there. Thereafter you can write any command there and you can ask any question there. Okay, so first going to open this press command prompt, writing this, then this here Foundry model run given, this here directly you can get this one. Let's write there simple question. Hi, wow, this is returning the output so fastly. Hi there, what currently I am using. So therefore this returning there. Okay, what currently this all returning there. So how to learn AI. There is the mistakes, but this is returning there. Hi user, how to learn. Let us start there the question. This might be interesting about AI. This all returning there. Okay, so this is too faster. So there is no any. This is locally installed. Then you can choose any question without doing online process. So this is how we can install Foundry Local on Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.